Welcome to BAESS Labs, the next-generation solar intelligence platform delivering AI-powered calculation, real-time project management, and intelligent automation. Let's head over to the dashboard. Securely log in using your credentials to access your unified solar design suite. Welcome to the central dashboard. Here you can see our core modules: PV AI Designer Pro, BESS Designer, and the upcoming Solar AI Assistant. Before diving in, let's look at how AI credits work. Credits seamlessly power your engineering and optimization requests. Using our built-in interactive cost calculator, you can map out your required tasks like BOQ generation, advanced web pricing, or executive reporting to instantly find the perfect plan tailored to your business needs. Let's kick off a new engineering design. Click on Start New Project under PV AI Designer Pro. Give your solar project a name and enter the Advanced Calculator workspace. Step 1 is all about location settings. Pinpoint your site using coordinates or search directly on the interactive satellite map. Drag or click to precisely lock down your installation zone. The app automatically fetches localized time zone information, coordinates, and lets you choose your meteorological data source, such as NSRD-BTMY data. Define your project parameters. Specify if it's a commercial or residential build, its mounting type, site albedo factor, soil type, and temperature parameters for precise component sizing. Once configured, hit Continue. Step 2 brings us to solar panel selection. Browse our extensive database of top-tier manufacturers. Select your panel model to review technical specifications, dimensions, module type, and evaluate its electrical dynamic behavior through the built-in current voltage characteristic curve. Now, let's step into the PV Areas Layout Designer. Select your structural type, like a ballasted flat roof, and locate the building footprint on the integrated 3D satellite canvas. Using our smart polygon tracing tools, outline the edges of the roof structure. Once closed, the platform instantly renders your building into an interactive 3D model. Customize architectural details right from the sidebar. Adjust the wall height, modify the parapet dimensions, or change structure colors to visually match the physical site. Switch into a 2D top-down view to map your module placement boundary. Select our rectangle area drawing tool, map it out, and watch the platform instantly generate an optimized high-density solar array. Toggle back to the 3D viewport to inspect row-to-row alignments, tilt clearances, and verify your overall space utilization before moving on. Next, switch to the electrical design workflow. Set your target grid connection details, starting with the local point of connection voltage. Click Configure to define your inverter requirements. Select a trusted brand like SunGrow and choose the appropriate model size. The system calculates the ideal string counts automatically. Refine your string configuration. You can balance individual module strings, adjust threshold capacities, or let the app mathematically calculate the optimum modules per string layout based on safe temperature fluctuations. Configure your downstream electrical assets. Map out your AC combiners, input ways, and finalize your point of connection parameters before saving. With your electrical architecture defined, place your heavy hardware directly on the map. Drop your inverters, AC combiners, and your ultimate point of connection markers exactly where they will live on site. Activate our Smart Draw Connector tool. Click your starting component, trace your path through the site, and route your connections cleanly across the roof or down to ground level. Perfect. You can now adjust module orientation, align your rows to specific azimuth targets, and fine-tune your structural pitch settings for optimal harvest. Review your physical device dimensions and download your fully scaled PV array layout CAD drawing as a clean, ready-to-use zip file bundle. Let's advance to the DC Configuration tab. Here you get a bird's-eye view of your string mapping, DC to AC ratios, and power capacities. With a single click, you can activate the automatic string allocation, letting our AI seamlessly balance loads across all active MPPT trackers for maximum system efficiency. Scroll down to see automated DC wire sizing recommendations. The engine estimates your dynamic run length, handles voltage drop analysis, and suggests acceptable cable cross-sections. Now click over to AC configuration. Easily select circuit breaker types and choose higher ampacity ratings from standard industry catalog menus to guarantee built-in safety margins. Optimize your primary AC cables. Pick the correct cross-sections for both your inverter to combiner runs and your combiner to POC paths. The tool handles your complex derating factors and calculates real-time system power losses. To conclude your engineering configuration, hit Generate SLD to inspect your interactive single-line diagram, visualizing your full professional schematic flow from solar arrays down to the main grid. Click Continue to access your project design summary. Review your 328 kilowatt peak design, including module models, electrical routing, and site metrics. Let's navigate over to the losses dashboard. Customize your environment parameters, such as soil buildup, light-induced degradation, and electrical mismatch. Then hit Calculate Production Results. In seconds, you are presented with robust performance analytics, annual energy yield, specific yield, and performance ratio. Toggle the data table view to examine precise monthly generation figures. Explore comprehensive energy analysis breakdowns. Switch through interactive hourly charts, monthly irradiation curves, and inspect our advanced 25-year energy production forecast to see how system degradation impacts performance over time. Need bankable, risk-managed data? Review our automated Monte Carlo uncertainty analysis to evaluate energy output across standard P50, P75, and highly conservative P90 confidence intervals. Let's move into the commercial side of your project. Navigate to the AI-BOQ tab. This system analyzes IEC standards and your unique site design to auto-compile a precise bill of quantities covering structural, DC, AC, earthing, and lightning protection items. Click Generate AI Pricing. Select your target supply market, price basis, and preferred live web search method. Our advanced pricing engine searches global supply markets to inject accurate live market unit rates into your bill. Review your intelligent budget. You can manually adjust line items, edit hardware unit costs, and customize project development fees like installation, taxes, or logistics to see your live, updated total project cost. Ready to evaluate investment returns? Click Proceed to Financial Analysis to view your 25-year financial modeling dashboard. Input operational expenses, utility escalations, or PPA tariffs, and hit Calculate. You instantly receive high-level investment metrics: internal rate of return, net present value, levelized cost of energy, and clear payback milestones paired with cash flow charts. Finally, let's export our work. Under the AI Report tab, input your company data, client details, upload your custom logo, and hit Generate Feasibility Report. Within moments, your bankable dossier is ready. Click Download Final Report to open your complete, beautifully formatted presentation PDF. This final document packs your entire executive summary, precise engineering layout configurations, detailed financial analysis, 25-year cash projections, and complete itemized bills of quantities into a stunning client-ready report. Designed smarter, faster, and more profitably with BAESS Labs. That completes the full AI-PV Designer Pro workflow, from dashboard to bankable PDF. In a single platform, you've defined the site, selected real components, designed layout on satellite maps in 2D and 3D, analyzed shading, sized DC and AC systems with LV string inverters, generated a single line diagram, run energy and loss analysis, produced an AI bill of quantities, built financial projections, and delivered an AI-written feasibility report. All exportable as a professional PDF. Explore AI-PV Designer Pro at BAESS.APP. Thank you for watching.